This project has been 15 years in the making. After we developed that furnishing plan, the fabrics began to be reproduced, and that's a several-year process to get the fabrics reproduced. We started that process in 2006. The green and gold damask that is in the room, we were able to find that the original fabric was originally sourced from Prel, which is a company in France. So we were able to go back to that company, and they had those documents in their own archive. So it was a real easy and simple way to make sure that we had it 100% accurate. Since the opening of Biltmore House, this room has been presented in a very kind of static way. If we look at old guidebooks, which is another thing that we look at in our archives, we see a very static arrangement of furniture. And we knew from our research in what a private apartment would have been like and how it would have functioned, that wasn't appropriate for the space. It would have been much more of what you see today with comfortable seating. So over the years, we've tried to improve it, but we really made the conscious decision to put the effort of the research and the furnishing and to develop a furnishing plan that would have been more historically accurate for a private sitting room such as this.